Hello, guys. I just received a lot of items in the mail throughout this week. The items have been flowing in, and I just said, no, I need to unbox this thing and let's see what I have in the mail for cheap price. Like, guys, I got this on a budget. You know me, I'm a budget friendly person. Check my bio. If it's not budget friendly, if I don't have to, crack my head, wait for discount sales, I'm not buying. I have to wait. Yeah, I am that frugal in spending. I can't wait to see what I ordered versus what I got. That kind of experience. So let's see what I have in the mail. Let me start with this item. Let's see. I have my scissors right here. So let's see what we have here. Guys, like I said, if I'm able to get the links, check the description to know if you can find any of these items. So yeah, what we have here, let me see, because sometimes I have to read. Oh, okay, this is a mattress protector. For your kids, toddlers. Yeah, one of my kids needs this for the bed. Yeah, and it's actually ideal for toddlers. So I hope it's absorbent, and yeah, it looks like, yeah, anything liquid it can't get to the mattress. So yeah, this will protect it. I don't know how long this is, but look at, guys, can you see? Ooh. So this is going to be something that you wear on the mattress. Look at the entire length. Ooh, I think I like it. I like it. And I love the inner protector is like, yeah, water resistant kind of, or liquid resistant. So this is it for this one. This is the mattress protector. Let's quickly head to the next item. Guys, let's see what I have here. I'm, cutting it. Let's see what I have here. Okay. Oh yeah, guys, I really needed this. Like, can you see? This is a hairbrush dryer. I've been like looking forward to this. I've seen a lot of people using theirs, and especially for the hair, especially for my natural hair, and even for my kids, for my girls. We try for my boys too if they have afro though. So yeah, this is the hairbrush. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited to have. I hope that's what is in here. Okay, it's just simple. Just this. Yeah, just this. Yeah, and then yes, yes. Then you have the manual here. You have your gloves, guys. I'm going to link it in the description. Check the description for this. I hope this works. Yeah. So this is the handle. With this handle, you can now attach the various types of brushes. They have different types of brushes, but I think I just got, I can't remember how many I got, but I'll see it right here. So this is this brush. Can you see? This is this brush. You just attach it. Ooh, and that's it. And then you brush. I've been looking forward to this. So this is the hairbrush. This. So what else do you have in here? Like I said, the brush. Let's see. How many brushes did I buy? Ooh, this is like another. Hey, this is the bigger size of this. If you check the sides, this brush has a lot. Yeah, okay. To fix it, you just attach it firmly. Then to remove it, you press here. Once you press here and twist, it's off. Perfect. So yeah. So let's see for this big brush as well. I'm going to, yeah, it's firm now. Oh, just imagine brushing your hair with this. Everything, like everything, everything is good. Everything is going to be handled properly. Like it's going to get all nooks and cranny of your hair, especially if you have a very long hair. This is going to work. So what else do I have here? Okay, I have the hair clips, like you hold your hair, like to partition your hair. Okay, you partition as you brush with the hair. No, no, I don't want to brush it. Oh, that's nice. That's really lovely. That's really lovely. I love it. And I also have another one. They gave me two here. There are two of these brushes here. So I'm testing them apart. Let's see another item that came in the same box. Not really the same box, a different box, but attached together. Let's see what we have here, guys. So this season, this is end of year. So by end of year, sometimes you get items on sale. They tell you you have like so hours for the price to be reduced. So when you catch those kind of situations and you need the item, of course, I don't just buy anything anyhow, or because I have money, or because I think it's on sale. No, I buy because I need it. Like I need. Let's see what is here. This is it. Let's see what I have here. I'm really hyped. I'm really excited. Hey, I'm really excited as if I got it for free. Oh yeah, this is another brush, another handle of the brush. Like how you have the brushes for the wig. But I'm really surprised I got like. So this is another brush again. I have another brush here again. Ooh, this is so much. So it's practically this. I have like 4 brushes now. Wow. This is a lot. That is it for the brush. So what else do I have here? Let's check out the item here. Guys, unboxing can be fun. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, this is a swimming kit. This is a men's swimming kit. Yeah, okay. Okay. This is men's swimming kit. You have the swimming glasses, the swim eyewear. That's what is here. The swim eyewear. Then it has it also came with, what's this? A swimming cap. And, okay, a pouch, kind of like a bag. This is practically for my husband. Yeah. Oh, and these are some swim shorts, swimming shorts or swim shorts. That is what we have here. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, guys, I don't know what this is, but it's part of the kit. It all came together with the swim stuff. Can you see? Something like this, can you see? Yeah. I don't know what it is, but they are all here in the same bag. Let's see what's here. Okay, here I have some. Let's see. Okay, shirts. These are. Oh yeah, these are. Yeah. Okay. These are swimsuits. Girl swimsuits. It has this. It's really conservative. This is not bikini or tankini. It has this again, and it has shorts. Like you'll be well covered. Very, very conservative swimwear. That's the pink and the black one. Let's see what's here. Ooh. Okay, same item but different colors. This is the black and the blue, sea blue. same shirts, and then the top. We have the top. Yeah, very, very conservative swimwear. The next item, of course, I got them from AliExpress. Everything here is from AliExpress. So let's see the next one. What do we have here? What do we have? Oh yeah, guys, this is my headphones. If I show you my headphone, you won't believe it. But because most times I'm walking, I'm doing stuff, and I'm bending. Before you know it, the headphones flips out from my head. And I'm a headphone kind of person. I don't like the earplugs. I just feel like it's as if something is inside my ear. So I love to go with the headphones. So my headphones has broken like the two parts at the time, but it's still working. And I've been using it like that. But I've just been a lot more careful. If I put it on my head, I'm like, taking it easy with how I move my head. So I have a new one now. So let's see. I hope it's just exactly like the old one. Yeah, perfect. Exactly like my old one, the one I'm using that is broken. It's just the same thing. Exactly. You have to extend it. It's like this. You extend, and then I'm alive, when you call on me, I can hear you breathe. I feel like I'm alive, I am alive. Oh, Celine Dion, you must be very proud of me. Okay, so that's it for my headphones. Yeah, I'm happy. I'll be a lot more careful this time around. I won't like wear them when I'm just so busy. I take them off. Just I like listening to some things. And by the way, I don't even know if headphones and all these Bluetooth devices, if they're so healthy for the head. Like someone said, we are frying our brains. May God help us in Jesus' name. God help me in Jesus' name. So what else came with it? Okay, we have the chargers, just two types of chargers. One has the this elongated pin, and the other one has just this pin here. I hope you guys can see. And then it also has a manual. Came with a manual for any queries, any how to. What else do we have here? Next, let's see. What in the world do I have here? Oh yeah, this is like this is the weighing scale. Like weigh your travel boxes, your luggage. This is it. The one we had, I don't know what happened to it. It just stopped working, and we tried to fix it. It didn't work. So we ordered a new one. So this is it, the weighing scale. Like if you're traveling, you want to just have an idea of your luggage, what it weighs before you get to the airport, so you don't just have a feeling that you might embarrass yourself by unpacking and packing, all this stuff at the airport. So you just weigh your luggage with this. Let me show you guys what is inside. I'm already so confident that I know what is inside, so I just wanted to drop it. But remembering, I'm showing my guys. I'm showing you some items. So yeah, this is it. This is the scale. This is what it looks like. So if you want to weigh your item, let's say you want to weigh, I want to weigh this. So I'm going to hook it here. It is a box. If I'm weighing this item, this is something like a hook. Can you see, guys? Yeah. And then I hook it somewhere here, and it works with a battery. This is digital. Then I raise it. When you raise it up, the weight of the item appears here. It's digital. It's a digital weighing scale. Quite simple and portable. Works with the battery because it's not coming on. So yeah, that is it. It came in this pack. So And what else do you have here though? As usual, every of these items they always come with a manual in case you don't understand certain things. Let's see what we have here. Oh, yeah, cords. We have cords here. I've done something like this before, an unboxing like this. I don't know which particular cord is this. It has three heads. Probably my husband ordered this, not me. So I don't understand this. Let's see the next item. Black, black, black. So let's see. Oh my god. Man. Why opening this stuff is good to be very, very careful. Because I sniped this. Thank God it's not the trunk. Okay, so this is a swimming. Hmm. So this is a swimming, my swimsuit. Has a short. You can see the short for down, and then the top. Okay, and I think they added this for me. I don't know what this is for. Whether it's is it for the hand or for the hair. I still have some to go. Next item here is this. Let's see. Have you ever wondered if online shopping is better than in-store shopping? What do you think? Do you prefer buying online or do you prefer going to the store? Like, I think I prefer online, but going to the store would be like an opportunity to, stretch your legs, see outside, know what's going on. In fact, find out from the marketplace what's going on. Something like that. Okay, this is a swim top for men. Swim top for men. What do you call it? These swimsuits here for men. I have this. I could see. Okay, I have the bidet. Is that what it's called? Bidet. Bidet. So yeah, this costs 20 reals for one. No, this is not part of the online stuff. I think we got together then we were going out. So yeah, we got two of it. One as a spare and then one to replace the broken one. So what else do you have here? What else did I not open here? Okay. This came with something. I just opened an item and this came with it. So why didn't I? Ooh, what's this? Okay, this is an adapter, like what I can see. This is an adapter with several USB ports. Guys, can you see this? Yeah, looks nice. An adapter with several USB ports. What else do we have here? What else do we have here? Let's see what we have here. These items. Okay. Oh, a headset like the ear. Why I love shopping online is because you have the luxury of finding out different prices of goods from different sellers. Okay, this is just like a lubricant or oil for clippers for shaving hair, or you're having your hair cut. The clipper, this is the lubricant that comes with it. What else do we have here? And if you are ever unpacking this item, please be careful so you don't snap or don't cut into what you're unboxing or unpacking. Okay, here. Okay, this is my swimming cap. Ooh, yeah, I actually chose pink and I chose the big size. I've never seen a swim cap this big. So when I saw it online, I was like, okay, it's better than having the smaller ones that may be tight. I don't like this, tightening my butt leg. I don't like things, gluing to my skin. Okay, here we have an array of they're all swim caps. Same sizes. All of them are same sizes. Same sizes of swim cap. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Let's see what we have here. Excitement is the word. Good. Oh yeah, here I have my wigs. By the way, guys, if you're watching this video, if you're male or female, which one do you like? Do you prefer wigs or do you prefer your natural hair? Let me tell you, I'm buying this, but guys, I prefer braiding hair. The reason why I can't braid my hair right here is because there's no salon here. But the braiding of hair, like you don't need to bother about styling all this stuff. So yeah, I have my wig. So it's expected that this is what they said, 4 by 4, 220% density. I'm not an expert when it comes to wigs, but it says they have 5 stars feedback. But I just read. So here is the wig cap. You know what the wig cap is, right? When it comes to hair, all these hair, count me out. Count me out. I'm not an expert. I just wear whatever I feel. Oh, I think I like the texture. Hey, at Destiny, okay, Chiku, are you watching this? What do you think of this wig? Guys, do follow her. She's an expert when it comes to all these hair and wig care, type of wigs, what to do for your wigs. Right now, I don't even know the type of oils and lotions to use for wigs, but that's why I tend to watch a channel. This smells so nice. This spray perfume on it. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, and then you know, guys, to this moment, I don't even know which one is this, closure or lace front or, but well, it's well plugged. Right, yeah, I can see it. Look at it. But I don't like the length. I feel it's so short. I feel it's too short. I wanted something long. I wanted long hair. I remember saying I wanted a long hair. But yeah, I love the texture. I love the texture of this wig. Okay. Nothing is let's see. Yeah, probably from the same company. It says 100% human hair. 100% human hair. But I just pray they're just joking, to be honest. Yeah, I read the description. Don't bother. I pray they're just joking though. I can't imagine wearing another human's hair. No, I pray it's just like well processed synthetic that have the feel of human hair. Okay? Okay? Why didn't this one come with anyone? Okay, so this one came with a brush and a baby comb. I don't know what to call it. And then it has this, ooh guys, bone straight. Your girl has bone straight. You're my people, guys. This is to know that this is done to know me. But I'm just excited doing this video. I'm excited making this video and all the fun that goes with it. But yeah, it's cool. It's cool having a good hair though. Good hair, good hair. Ooh guys, look at that. Look. Ooh, I love the feel. I love the feel. Luscious. Ooh, I love it. I love that it's long. But the good feeling for long hair for me, if anything that has to touch my body, I love to wear it in the cold, in cold regions, in cold places, cold season. Because you won't feel it. It's just the breeze just blowing on it, if possible, the air, the wind. But any other thing, I don't like wearing wigs in hot regions. I can't imagine if I wasn't in this location, if I'm like in the main city that is as hot as hot. I can't wear wigs that are touching my skin there. Yeah, and then it also has a wig cap. I have another item here. The corner on the corner. Okay, we have the swimwears as well. Okay, this is for the boys. Yeah, swimsuits for the boys. Two piece for the boys. Yeah, and this has a smell like company kind of smell. And then you have this other color. Yeah, this is for the smallest kid. So yeah. So yeah, this is probably the last, guys. Guess what is here? I told you guys, it's the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Let's see what is here. Let's see. Let's see. I can't wait. Like, I just want to really open. Oh, okay. Yeah. My family PJs for the season. Yeah. So this is our Christmas pajamas. Do you know that Christmas pajamas we got last year? We've been wearing them up to this moment, and they are just top notch. I was thinking, okay, these pajamas, maybe the qualities are not so good or not at par with what I was thinking. I was thinking, okay, they'll be of less quality over time, maybe a few weeks or months. They are still on. In fact, they are still so good. The only difference is that for my kids, we'll have to buy a size bigger because it's another year. But they still fit. The quality is still there, so good. You still wear them. I still wear mine. So this is another one, another design, pure design. Okay, pure design. I don't know how they chose this. I wasn't the one that chose it. My husband did, so I don't know how he chose it. So this is it, and this is the final unboxing or unpacking item. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please like this video. Let me know if you like this video. Where? In the comment section. Let's talk, guys. Let's talk. Talk to me. I need you to talk to me. I need you to talk to me. Look at my face. I need you to talk to me. Yeah. Please hit the comment section. Let me know what you think. You think these items are worth it? Especially for the season, they're really good for the prices they were gotten. I don't have any of the prices in my head, so that's why I'm not putting any price right now. But if there's any link, I'll put them in the description and you see all of them. Yeah. What do you think of the Christmas PJs? Do you celebrate Christmas? If you do you like to wear a family, PJs? Do you like to do family photo shoots during Christmas? In fact, this is the time of the year when, you get to have a family photo in case if you've been so busy all year round. So this is that season where you get to have your family photo shoot or just photos for Christmas Day in something that looks like a uniform. So guys, thank you for watching this. Stay tuned and stay blessed.